Namaste. Okay, guys, there we go again. Somebody wrote to me that that lady is some kind of a situation, and she says, "I want a change in my life. I want things to change." How many of you are in that zone? I want things to change. मेरी लाइफ में चेंज होना चाहिए. I'm tired of this routine. I'm tired of doing this. So certain things, let's make certain things very clear in life. These things, lessons to be learned for good. Okay, in life, certain things you can change, certain things you cannot change. So if you insist on changing certain things you can't, you will be frustrated. Now, if you say कि no, आज I don't want the sun to rise and I want it to rain, it is against reality, right? Similarly, there are certain situations in your life, certain karmic events in your life which you cannot change. And outside events, so definitely you can't change. You can't change your parents. You can't change your relations. You can change your friends. Certain things you can change. But now we are talking of this outer change. Certain things you can, certain things you cannot. Even the husband or wife you can change. Your spouse you can change. You can't change your children. They're yours. Correct? So you will have to learn to accept things you cannot change in your external world. However, you may be disliking your parents, your brothers, your siblings, your relations. There are so many people who can't get along with the mother, can't get along with the father, can't get along with the brothers, sisters, whatever. You can't do anything about it. They are there in your life to teach you something. The problem, why you feel that you want to change or you want to change them, is because you're not learning the lesson they have come to teach you. Every person who comes in your life, or every experience that you get in your life, comes into your life to teach you a lesson. The minute you learn the lesson, you will not have this in your life anymore, in your space anymore. For example, in a husband-wife relationship, if you are divorcing your spouse for one reason, that X reason, the divorce has happened. Now every other man or woman whom you get in your life as a spouse will have similar kind of a nature or a problem. It will keep on repeating. Have you noticed that certain patterns in your life keep on repeating? You will meet people in your life having the same things you have to deal with. And you wonder, why does this happen to me all the time? Any man I relate to, he has the same problem as the earlier man I had. Any woman I come in contact with, she's exactly the same as the earlier woman. Now, why does that happen? Because you have not learnt the lesson in the first place. Once you learn the lesson, this will not happen. The pattern will break. So there are certain situations in your life you can't change. You have to learn from those situations. The minute you learn, there will be a change. The minute you learn something from inside, there will be a change in the outside. This is a proven fact. Everybody knows about it. In case you don't know, I'm telling you this. And try this out. You change from inside and the world changes from outside. It's like, so often you've heard this example that if you're looking into a mirror and if you have a black spot on your cheek, if you clean the mirror image, will that black spot go? No, the black spot is here. It has to be cleansed from here, not from the mirror. So obviously the change has to be inside. Now you wanting a change in the outside world, what do you have to do? Change yourself. That's when you will see the change in the outside world. I have read this line somewhere that when you change from inside, the things you are looking at automatically change. This is like a magical thing which most people have not understood, and you just remain stuck at that one place, at one thought कि जब तक ये change नहीं होता मैं change नहीं हो सकती हूँ, नहीं होगा वो. So if you want a change in your life, you have to change yourself. Like if you go for a movie each and every day and you expect the end of the movie to change, is that going to happen? Obviously not. Right? So understand certain things in life. Instead of fighting with life, understand it, get that into your head and move on. Accept it. This is how it's going to be. However much you may not like your mother and she's there with you all the time, what can you do about it? No. Ask the universe, what is the lesson that I have to learn in this relationship? Why is this happening? Why is there friction? You can't change that. But ask, there's a learning there. And till you learn, till you understand that, the change will not happen. This happens, okay, we are talking about the external world, with your external relations, your job related, this related, whatever, external world. When you undergo a transformation, which is a permanent and an irreversible process, which of course, again, I am repeating with Maitreya Dada Ji, my master. We are all from Maitri Bodh Parivar. My master, at the moment, we are going through all those things. We are starting from January. We have a 2-year free program which Maitreya Dada Ji is doing. For this transformation, we need the entire world, entire planet, every human being to transform. So you don't go into all these kind of things. So please register. You go on to the website of Maitri Bodh, www.maitribodh.com/transform. So you will get a link there. Register. It's a free program. Starts from January. You start registering now. Register for the program and get into this process of transformation. If you want that change, you have to change from inside. You have to transform from inside. Things outside are not going to change. They are going to remain the same. So please, I would really honestly advise you, it's free. It's free. Which Maitreya Dada is doing a 2-year program. There are a lot of videos also of Dada Ji on YouTube. You can check those out. How you could transform yourself, how you can change yourself. Don't fight with yourself so much. There are very easy processes which are there. Very easy things you can do. And somebody else is doing it for us. That's what Dada Ji has promised, that I am going to transform you. Just say yes to it. Why are you just stuck in that one place and complaining all the time when there is so much help around you? It doesn't matter whoever you follow. You may be having your own master guru, fine. You just come here, do this, transform, go back. Be loyal to your own divinity. We are not asking you to change and come this side, that side, not at all. That is not the intention at all. Transformation, yes, we want you to transform so that you don't feel this kind of a feeling that do you need a change, do you want to change, I want to change, and fight with and struggle with life that you're leading and be unhappy from inside, and then you spread unhappiness all around you and make a whole mess of your life. Not worth it, my dear friends. Really not worth it. So if you need any details about this program, you can also call Vandana Ji on 9322290211. She can help you with this transformation thing in case you find it difficult to log on or whatever. So it is 9322290211. Please call her. She will help you with the Maitri Bodh Parivar, whatever you want there. But do change. You need my help anytime. Do get in touch with me on my website www.smitajaikar.com. I have a lot of modalities which will help you in your life situations and everything that you want to do. Also, if you like this video, please do comment down and do subscribe for my videos. Okay, love you.